Today, we are making one of the most popular Indonesian dishes, Ayam Pop. This dish comes from West Sumatra. Let's show you how easy it is to make it at home. Start by peeling the garlic, put it into a blender, add a little water, and blend it until smooth. Once blended, set it aside. Next, trim the lemongrass and gently bruise it to release the aroma. Peel the ginger and slice it. Next, slice the red chilies and set them aside. Now peel the shallots and the garlic cloves. Cut the tomatoes into quarters. Now that all the preparation is done, transfer the chicken into the pan. Next, add the lemongrass, sliced ginger, bay leaves, and kaffir lime leaves. Then add the seasoning powder, salt, garlic, white pepper, coconut water, and coconut milk. Give everything a good mix, then cover the pan and cook over medium heat until the chicken is cooked. Stir occasionally while it cooks. Keep a few ladlefuls of the broth and reserve it for later. Continue cooking until the liquid reduces. In the meantime, heat the coconut oil in another pan. Fry the chilies, garlic, shallots, and tomatoes until they become soft and fragrant. Now pour in the reserved broth and mix well. Carefully transfer the mixture to the blender. Add the sugar, seasoning powder, and flour. Then blend everything. For a smoother texture, push through a strainer. Now that everything is ready, serve the chicken on a serving dish. Pour a little of the sauce over the chicken. This smells amazing and looks absolutely delicious. Don't forget the chili sauce and garnish with some cucumber. It's best served with steamed rice. Thank you for cooking along with us today. Do you like this recipe? Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty dishes. Enjoy and happy cooking!